Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, another vlog, and today we are going on a journey. We are going on a boat ride. So I'm really excited for this vlog. We're gonna go explore London, not by road but by sea. So I'll catch you on the boat. We were literally the first people to get on the boat, so I could sit anywhere I wanted, right at the front, right at the back, either side of the boat. But I really wanted to sit next to the window so I could get a perfect view of the sea and basically the whole view. This right now is at the back of the boat. And now, if you're a fan of heights, look at the top of your screen, you can see cable cars. It's something I've done before. It was a great experience. You get to see some great views, and I had a good time doing that as well. And just over there is the O2, where we'll be heading there little later on in the vlog. But right now, if you look in the distance, you can see Big Ben and Westminster Palace. And over there is the London Eye. These are all iconic landmarks of London. It was time for us to get off because we had reached our destination, which was Battersea Power Station. It is my first time coming here, so I did not know what to expect, but we are going to go and explore together. Now this is my favorite part of the day, lunch, and as you can see I was taking it very serious. What should I order? I ended up going up for this wrap, which was absolutely delicious. This drink and chips and all of these sauces on the side. It was absolutely delicious. After lunch, we headed off to Greenwich, an absolutely stunning place. I love being surrounded by nature and greenery, and I definitely got that here. So right now you can see the University of Greenwich, which is right next to the old Navy College. And there is so much to see here, so much history to see here. It's amazing. And I actually did a photo shoot here in Greenwich, which I posted on my Instagram and Facebook. You can find my names of my Instagram and Facebook in the description box below, so do check that out. And as I mentioned before, I'll be showing you a bit of the O2. And I actually think there was a concert going on, so there was a lot of people coming into the O2. There was a lot of rushing around and busyness, but it was all great fun. But here is where I'm going to end the vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one. Take care.